Hi guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and as you can see, this is a package from Fantastic Raging Skull on our UK Lock Sport forum. It was quite funny. The other week, last week, RS on the forum sent me a private message to ask for my address because he'd lost it. He wanted to send this package as literally like a secret. We've exchanged addresses and stuff before regarding packages. Like I say, he wanted to be a surprise, but with losing my address he had to ask me my address again. So I sent my address. He did say everything inside was a surprise, but let slip a couple of the items. I think one is a Wilson Bohannon padlock that I liked some time ago, and I also made a comment on one of his videos regarding a knife he used to open a package and said that was nice. So he replied back to say he's popped a nice little knife in the box. So it came through the post today. You can probably just see this luminous yellow colouring on there, and it's actually a note from Customs Examination. Royal Mail in the United Kingdom opened this package for examination by Customs and have resealed it. Now we can't blame Customs for doing what they do these days, guys, so I don't hold any grudges regarding them opening this package, but I do hope, RS, that all contents are inside that you sent. I'll try cut this off so you can see the Customs sign. I'm using a normal Stanley knife. Talking of customs and things and police, we've got the helicopter buzzing about outside. That's the customs sign on there. Let's open it fully, then remove the box. It is a big box. Well, I must say, Customs have put all the newspaper back in. I'll just throw this to one side. That is the lovely knife. Thank you so much, RS, my friend. I'm going to use this for cutting packages open afterwards. Beautiful. Thank you so much, my friend. And that's a Wilson Bohannon. It's stamped at the top of there. You probably cannot see that. Beautiful lock. I've got a couple of these in my collection and love Wilson Bohannon. Let's pop that there. And another WB. I thought you were only sending one, RS, my friend. There's keyway on that one. keyway on that. I do hope this battery does not run out. Not sure what this one is. U-HAL. I think that's all the keys there. I bet we'll take these off. Ah, hang on. Wilson Bohannon there. Ah, works on that one. Of interest. I'm not going to go through these keys, like I said, not enough time on the video. Ah, there's another lock in there. Dexter Slake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that works nicely on that. And that, so that's the keys there. That must be the key for this padlock. So I might do a video shortly of picking this one to release those instead of taking that off there. So thank you so much, RS my friend, for the lovely package. I'm very sorry Customs decided to pop this open, but as I've said, we do appreciate the sort of the job these guys do. Anything can be sort of coming in and out of any country, so they do have to be vigilant at times. And I'm looking forward to having a play with this nice little penknife. So even though it's not a lock picking video, thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep all your lock picking legal. Thank you again, RS my friend, you are a diamond.